If you haven't decided what you're gonna make for the weekend, go for this. This is a feast that will please anyone and everyone. So I made chicken Malai Boti with Puri and Lachha Pyaz. So I've taken some boneless chicken here and I've cut it in the strips. Add all the ingredients that are listed on the screen here. I know the ingredients look like a lot, but trust me, it's all worth it. You will enjoy these skewers like anything. I've given these the cold smoke as usual because they just turn out so good once they are giving the cold smoke. Then I needed the dough for the puris, and I add baking powder in the puri dough because they make the puris a bit crispier. So do that. Drizzle some oil on it once the dough is kneaded and let it rest. Rest is very important. Get rid of the coal, make the chicken skewers by folding the chicken strips on the skewers. I air fried them. You can make them in your oven or in your frying pan. Make sure to put all the remaining marinade on the chicken skewers. Then I made the Lachha Pyaz, so simple, so easy and so good. Set these aside, then knead the dough once it's rested. The dough should be super smooth by now. Roll out the puris and deep fry them. They will puff up really nicely. Make them in very hot oil to make sure that they puff up. Once the chicken skewers are done, brush some melted butter on them. Then serve them on the puris and add the Lachha Pyaz on the side as well. And then I drizzle some mint yogurt chutney and enjoy.